My name is Karen Obeng.
I'm Jamal, sir.
I am Andrew Delagbagbo.
I'm Cherub Raccoon. We represent the YM Lab 8, and the project we have here is the Novos Technopolis. The name was derived from a Latin word that simply means modern smart city. It has specific technical proposed suite of interconnected systems, such as the smart school, a smart fire station, a smart home, a water management system, and a waste management component.
Before I proceed, I would like to state that the project we built was made from material that was 3D modeled and then printed at our lab. The project also consists of other electronic components. This project is based on 10 microcontrollers, which are 9 Arduino Uno R3 microcontrollers, and then one Expressive 32 microcontroller. The project we built addresses SDG 7, which is affordable and clean energy, through the use of solar power and then step power. Now we realized that such a system couldn't go in isolation. Therefore, we designed a smart city that will utilize the energy being generated. This smart city also addresses SDG 11, which is sustainable cities and communities. And now I'll begin with the smart home system. Now, the smart home system consists of several different interconnected systems, such as RFID access control. Now, in most homes, keys are used for entry and exit into and out of our homes. Therefore, we decided to replace this traditional system with RFID technology for a more secure residential setting, whereby an RFID tag is placed over a reader for the door to open and then it's placed back for the door to close. There's also a temperature monitoring system. Now, in most residential settings, temperature is regulated manually, which leads to energy inefficiency. Therefore, we decided to design a system that will autonomously regulate temperature by using a temperature humidity sensor that measures both temperature and humidity and is placed on an LCD screen. And once temperature or humidity is above a certain predefined threshold, it will start a cooling fan. There's also a rain detection system. Now, in our